In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect a cell range in Google Sheets. This is especially useful if you're sharing a spreadsheet and want to ensure that certain cells remain untouched by other users. So let's dive in and explore how you can do this with a few simple steps. First, you'll need to open up a Google Sheet. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You can either start a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to apply the protection. Once your spreadsheet is ready, you'll need to highlight the cells you want to protect. For this demonstration, let's assume you want to protect cells E1 through E8. Click on cell E1, hold down your mouse button, and drag it down to E8. This will highlight the range you are aiming to protect. Next, you'll want to head up to the menu bar at the top. Look for the Data menu. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Data to reveal a drop-down menu, a central place where you can make various changes and apply data rules within your sheet. In the drop-down, look for the option called Protect Sheets and Ranges. Click on this, and a new panel should appear on your right-hand side. This tool will guide you through setting up protection for your specified cell range. Now, let's hone in on the range itself. In the new panel, click on Range, and you'll be prompted to enter a description. This could be anything that helps you remember why you're applying the protection. In our example, you might type in something straightforward like locked. This description is merely for your reference to identify the protected range in the future. Once you've got your range and description all set, the next thing you need to do is set the permissions. Click on Set Permissions. This is where you will dictate who can edit the protected range. A dialog box will pop up, giving you different options. You could set it so only you can edit the range, or you might grant permission to certain collaborators while locking out others. Configure this as per your needs, making sure to review who exactly can make changes moving forward. After you've set the permissions to your liking, simply click on Done. This final action will apply all the settings you've just configured, ensuring your specified range is now protected. There you have it, a quick and effective way to protect a range of cells in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you can maintain the integrity of your data and prevent unauthorized changes, providing peace of mind when collaborating with others. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your Google Sheets effectively.